Hello friends, today inside Mac Mini, you can see this is my Mac Mini Apple M2 Pro. So today in this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can easily install Kali Linux inside your Mac Mini, MacBook M1 or M2. Okay. So first of all, you need to install UTM. I have already created a video on how to install UTM app inside MacBook. If you are new to this channel, I will give you the link in the I button. You can check it out. Okay. Now, first of all, you have to open your UTM, and now inside this UTM, I am going to install Kali Linux. For that, you need to download Kali Linux ISO file, the ARM file. Okay. I have already that file. Let me show you where that file is. So I have already downloaded the Kali Linux 2024.1 ARM 64-bit. Okay. So you have to download this file. Now once this file has been downloaded, what you need to do, remember, if you are not able to download that file, you can ask me through the comment section. I will share you that file personally, okay, through my Google Drive. Now you can go to this create new virtual machine. You have to click here on create new virtual machine, click on virtualize, and then click on Linux. You have 4 options. You have to click on Linux. Don't click anywhere. Okay. Now you have to use this option. The last option you can see, the browse option. So just click on browse and select your ISO image for the Kali Linux, which is this Kali Linux 2024.1. Click on open. Click on continue. Now by default it's 4 GB RAM. My system has total 16 GB RAM. Out of that 4 GB is more than enough. Total I have 10 cores. Out of that I can assign 4 cores, which is more than enough for this Kali Linux. Then click on continue. 64 GB space not required. You can give 34 GB. 34 GB is more than enough for your Kali Linux. Click on continue. Click on continue. Click on save button. And now remember, here you have to make one small changes. That is, you have to go the right hand side. You can see this 3 line. Just click on that 3 line. Then you can see this display network and sound. Just below that you can click on new, and you have to add this serial. So click on serial and just click on save. That's done. This setting is very very essential, okay, and it's very compulsory also. Okay, if you don't do this, it will create a problem. Now just click on play button and the installation will begin. Now here you have to be careful. One thing I have to mention, that you have to be careful. Why? Because here you can see 2 terminals open. When you click on that play button, you can see 2 terminals open. The right hand side terminal, you have to left it. You don't have to touch that terminal. In the left hand side you can see terminal 1. So you have to work on terminal 1. Okay. Now I am going to select graphical install. So I will select this option, graphical install, in the left hand side, not in the right hand side. Okay, I am doing whatever I am doing in the left hand side. So don't play with the right hand side. Just press enter. Now you can select your country from here. So let me select my India, and then press enter, and the installation begin. This is the simple way to install. Keep watching the video. I will show you step by step everything from basic to advanced level, how to set up things and how to make Kali Linux work inside your MacBook M1 or M2. So the installation is going on. Now it's asking for host name. You can set Kali. You can even want to change. You can change. Click on continue. Then domain name, no need to set domain name. Just go to the continue with the help of tab key and press enter. Here full name asking, you can just give your name. I'm giving my name, Satish. Going to continue. It's asking for username, Satish. Okay, with the Satish user, click on continue. It's asking a password. Give any password. I'm giving red hat. Continue. Password red hat. Click on continue. And it's done. Now my username is Satish, password is red hat, and during installation you have to remember your username and password. Okay, so you must write down your username and password while you are setting this, otherwise you might forget after installation. So don't give a complex password if you can't remember, and if you are setting a complex password, you make sure that you remember that password. Now here is the partition option. Here you have to select the option number 1. Okay, manual partition is only for the expertise. Okay, So if you are expert in Linux, you can do that manual partition and you can create slash partition, home partition, everything separate. I am here selecting the first one. Just press enter, select the first option, all files in one partition. Click on finish, press enter. Now here you have to make sure that you don't choose the option no. You have to select option yes. Write changes to disk yes. Why? Because if you don't select yes, it will not save your partition method. Okay, so just press yes and press enter and done. Now you can see here is asking for software selection. Here you don't have to make any changes, just use the tab button, go to continue, press enter, done. Now you can see total 2501 packages and the installation of this software is going on. It will take some time. You have to wait here. You have to be patient while this is going on. And once the installation will complete, it will ask for reboot. And during reboot, we have to make a certain changes, certain important changes. That's why you have to keep watching till end. The installation is about to complete. So 94% already done. Remaining 6% it will take like grub installer and everything. So just keep watching. It will install the grub and all these things. So you can see grub bootloader installation is going on. So it's about to finish. Now it's very important. It's very crucial here. You have to keep watching till the last step, because this is very important steps when we are coming to this installation process. This is the main part, one of the main part of the installation process. If you made any mistake here, it will not work. Make sure if you make any mistake here, it will not work. Okay, so watch it carefully. See, finish the installation and it's asking for continue. Installation complete. Just click on continue button. And here you have to close it. Okay, you have to close it. Don't open it, just close it. Okay, now what to do once you close it, you have to open your UTM app. You can see this is your Kali Linux machine. Just scroll down, you can see here CD DVD, and just in front of CD DVD you can see Kali Linux 2024.1. This is the ISO file actually exactly. Okay, now we don't want this. Okay, because we have already installed. Why we need this? So what we do here, just click here on the CD DVD option and click on clear option, and now you can see it's empty. You can see now it's empty, so it's good. Now you can start. So now just play the, or you can make changes. You can want to make any changes, you can make any changes also, like you can make here Kali Linux, so that you know which operating system you are booting. You can make it Kali Linux and click on save button, and now you can start it and your Kali Linux machine is ready. Okay, so in this way you can run or install your Kali Linux machine. Now you can close this one, this left hand side. You don't need this, and this is your main Kali Linux machine, which will look something like this. You can log in with username you have created during installation, that is Satish, and then you need the password, which we have Red Hat. Sorry, Red Hat it's REDHAT, and you just press enter and you will be able to log in to your Kali Linux machine. Your Kali Linux machine is ready. If you want to change the desktop, you can change it, like you can change the theme, and you can see all the apps here, everything working here. Information gathering, vulnerability analysis, web application analysis, database assessment. These are all hacking, penetration testing, and cyber forensic tools. All are available all in one operating system. This is mainly used for ethical hacking, penetration testing, bug bounty, network security, and application security. So you can use Kali Linux for any purpose. If you are ethical hacker, cyber expert, penetration tester, whatever you are doing, you can use this inside your MacBook. If you want to maximize, you can maximize it, and if you want to set the screen resolution, you can set it by going to setting. Then you can go to display, and here you can change the resolution according to your screen. So mine is 1920 into 1080p. Apply and done. Now it's perfect. You have a perfect Kali Linux for your use. You can use it for whatever you want. Okay, you can see, you can run your terminal here. If you want to zoom, you can also zoom in. You can see you can zoom in the command, and if you want to check who is login, you can type who am I. It will tell you that Satish is login right now. If you want to log in as a root, you have to activate root. How to activate root? You have to type sudo, then you have to type passwd, the root username, and once you type enter, it will ask the password for user Satish. You have to type the password for user Satish, which is Red Hat, and press enter. Then it will ask you the new password, which will be for root user. Suppose I'm giving 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 and done. Now the password for root user is 1 2 3 4 5 6. How to log in as a root? You have to type su-root and the password for the root user is 123456, and here it is. I'm logging as a root. Now if you type who am I, it will tell, sorry, who, WHOMI, it will tell who is logging, root is logging. If you want to check the IP address, you have to type the command ifconfig, and it will tell your IP address. The IP address is 192.168.64.6. so this is your IP address, which is IP version 4 address. Just below you can see IP version 6 address, and in this way your Kali Linux is ready for use. So thank you for watching. If you still have any doubt, you don't forget to ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching.